Okay, today I'm going to be looking at how to replace this clutch. It's what they call this thing at the bottom of a blender. This is for a Hamilton Beach. This one happens to be a wave action blender. And it's been a very reliable blender for many years. And finally the other day, this clutch mechanism started chipping away. So we're going to take this out and take out some of the, where the plastics kind of got all chewed up, and hopefully get this thing going back full speed again. So two things, it's just screwed on for one thing, but the challenge is going to be how to hold those blades in place, okay, while we're unscrewing the little clutch mechanism. So I got a new one, just got it off Amazon. So we got this new one, just got it off Amazon. So what I understand is the way this is set up is we need to go to unscrew. It's actually a reverse thread, so I need to push that way to get this to come off. And somebody has suggested on the Amazon site to just block the blades with something. So I'm just going to try to put some wood in there, see if that holds it while we somehow or another. All right, so I've got it blocked. There's a trusty hammer and a trusty screwdriver, and we'll just see if this works. Ow. Alright, that didn't seem to work. So now we're going to try a pair of vice grips. Kind of a needle nose vice grips, so we're just going to put it on there and try that. Here we go. I think it's a combination of loosening it with the hammer and screwdriver. And there it is. Okay, whoop. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's what it took. It so it does go. There's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty mangled up. Okay, let me pull this up here. Okay, so here's the rotor thing, blade thing. And I guess what we need to do next is, so there was a washer on the back here. Okay, so just want to make sure we put that back. All right, we just need to clean this up a little bit. I don't guess we would have to clean it up, but I think I want to. Just because it looks so nasty. Okay, well that certainly looks better. Okay. Now, it's got a little bit of rust, surface rust on there. I might hit that with some real fine sandpaper up there. Okay, the washer back on there. And so this guy actually goes counterclockwise. And I suspect this is self-tightening as we put it on there. Okay, let's see how this thing does. Okay, I hear a little bit of, like a little bit of noise. I suspect, yeah, I think it's just a little loose, and that should tighten up as this gets used. Wait a minute, I gotta go this way. Yeah, I gotta go the other way. Okay, we'll go with that, and we should be fine. All right, well, that was a simple fix. That's what it was. Yeah, that was just a little loose. Awesome. Okay, very good. That is fixed. That's all there is to it. So the part was like, I think it was $10, and that's an original Hamilton Beach part. They had some other cheaper ones as well for like $6. So, you know, whatever you're comfortable with. But, you know, this has lasted however many years, and just, I don't know how many years, to be honest with you, maybe 15 or so. It doesn't get used all that often, but my son was starting to make protein shakes and things with them, with ice cubes and stuff. So I think it just, finally took its toll on this mechanism here. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show today. If you have any comments or suggestions, please put them down in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, please subscribe. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching.